Hello, kindergarten writers. Let's have our pink writers workshop folder out and let's begin to write. So today, the question I'm going to ask you is, what is your favorite dessert treat? Here are the options: ice cream, cake, cookies, or something else. So I want you to think about the question, and then I want you to decide which one do you like the best. After you've decided, now we're going to try it out. I'm going to show you my example, okay? So, first of all, the question was, what is your favorite dessert treat? Well, I thought about that and I knew right away. I like cookies, the absolute best. They are my favorite without reservation, so I'm going to put cookies as my favorite. I drew a picture of a cookie, not a very good one and not with much color, but I'm a little bit limited on the computer. You can do a lot better with your crayons. And now I wrote 3 sentences, okay? So the first thing I did is I stated, or restated rather, the question. My favorite dessert treat is cookies. The question is, what's your favorite dessert treat? Well, I restated that. My favorite dessert treat is cookies. Then I wrote why. I like cookies because there are so many different kinds. And finally, I just closed it with, I love cookies the best. That is my opinion. So you get to share your opinion today. You're going to pick which type of dessert treat you think is the best. It can be one of these or something else that you think of. Draw an awesome picture here. Use color and make it cool. And then give me 3 sentences restating the question, telling me why, and then closing with your opinion. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys write about.